So for me, in Māori, Aroha will be the biggest value of them all. When you think about Aroha, if I was to spread the word, to really deconstruct the word, to me it would be aro ki te hā o te tanata, meaning thinking about the breath of life between us, te hā o te tanata, taking each moment as if it were your last with that person. Aroha being, a lot of people have the interpretation, aroha meaning love, which it does, it has those thoughts, but aroha, thinking deeply, would be from a person to another person, kanohi ki te kanohi, aua tana katoa, and also coming down to whakawhanaungatanga, which is where whānau are involved. It is also with whānau, aroha is brought into play. Without the aroha of your whānau, there'd be nothing. Aroha to your own culture. Whakapapa is also, that's where that also comes into play. Be having aroha for your own whakapapa, having an understanding of your own whakapapa, knowing where you come from, your identity, and that's where it's the connection, for me, that's how they all connect up, is from aroha.